Okay, this is our second video in handling backups of SharePoint sites with Corso, the free and open source CLI for Microsoft 365 backups. So we've got our sandboxed website here, and we've got a doc library that I created. And let's go ahead and make a change that we really don't want to have happen. Let's go ahead and delete a bunch of these files. And this can happen for a lot of reasons, right? There can be accidental deletion of our files, or we can deal with, for example, we have a user offboarded, and maybe their OneDrive files are part of the SharePoint site, and we realize way after they're offboarded, oh no, we wanted to save some of those files. So how can we get these back? There's really not a great way just working directly with Microsoft. So that's why we use an external tool like Corso. So let's see if we have a backup that's going to cover this deletion. So we do Corso backup list, and we want our SharePoint backups. And sure enough, we have a backup that was started way before the time that we did this perfidious deletion. So what we'll do is we'll grab this backup ID. And sorry, this is a little squished because I wanted this text to be readable. But if you expand out your terminal window, this is formatted quite nicely. So from here we can do Corso restore SharePoint, and we'll give it a backup ID. And this backup ID, it'll scan. It'll look for items to restore. Now, there's a number of reasons why we might not want to just create those files shoved into exactly the same directory. Maybe they're going to namespace collide with stuff that's already there. But what will happen is, after this thing is done running, and this is pretty quick, but these are some largish images, so it took it just a minute. It's all in megabyte size. So if we go back to our demo SharePoint site, sure enough, we have Corso Restore, and all of our files are back. Okay, folks, simple as that. Thank you for checking it out. If you want to get started or go back to the first videos, there should be links down below. Thank you so much, and if you have questions, just comment down below the video.